Okay, everybody, we're going to do a review of the pizza crust that we bought at the dollar store. It's called Camillo's pizza crust, and it comes two in the package. And my first taste of it, I'm comparing it in my mind to a pizza you'd get in a pizza shop. And I shouldn't do that. I should compare it to a pizza you'd buy in the store you'd heat up and cook yourself. The crust it holds together very well, and it's a little bit it's not brittle, but it's close to being brittle. It has a little bit of a crunch, but there's no crust. There's no part where the bread dough has risen up and you have layers of flakiness. This is like a cracker. It's not crumbly like a cracker, but it has the density and mouthfeel of a cracker. It's very thin, and there's no dough part. It's thin, and you want to say the word cardboard, but this is better than cardboard. Try Camillo's. It's better than cardboard. Considering it's dough that was in a package on the shelf for weeks or months, it's actually not bad, because it doesn't have a bad flavor, and it does have a little bit of a crunch to it. It doesn't fall apart. It holds the moisture well. It's edible. I mean, you put cheese on it, of course it's edible. But you would not want to run home and have this. But at the same time, if you don't know how to make your own crust and you wanted some pizza and you didn't have any available, but you had the other ingredients, it'd be worth a shot. And like I said, it does have a little bit of a crunch, which is welcome in a crust. And the flavor I'm getting is actually pleasant, but I added the mozzarella and the pizza sauce, but olive oil, peppers, mushrooms. But it's a little different from a crust. It's more like a substrate that holds your ingredients together while it's being heated in the oven. So it's a very pleasant substrate. It's not a flaky crust. It has a little bit of crisp to it, a little bit crisp, but there's no flakiness. You know, you can break it apart, holds together, a little bit of crunch, but no. But it's not bad for what it is. Okay, that's my review. Hope you like it.